Welcome back. It's time now for international developments.
Iran on Tuesday denounced the most recent U.S. strikes of bad faith and unreliability as negotiations pressed on toward a possible deal to end the war, and the Islamic Republic began restoring internet access after a national shutdown that began in January. The U.S. military characterized Monday's strikes in southern Iran as defensive, saying targets included missile launch sites and minelaying boats. The U.S. said it acted with restraint in light of the weeks-long ceasefire. Iran's foreign ministry called the strikes a ceasefire violation and warned that Washington would bear responsibility for all consequences without elaborating. In a statement, Iran warned that it will leave no act of aggression unanswered. Iran's Revolutionary Guard said Tuesday it had shot down and deterred drones and a fighter jet that entered its airspace. And a train traveling at high speed hit a minibus crossing a railway in Belgium on Tuesday, killing 4 people, including 2 children, and badly injuring 5 other children in what officials called one of the worst rail accidents in the country's history. Officials said it appeared that the minibus drove through the closed crossing barrier. A security camera showed the bus carrying 9 people was moving when the train hit it. The collision happened during morning rush hour near Buggenhout town, about 30 kilometers northwest of the capital, Brussels. The bus driver and an escort were killed, along with 2 children aged 12 and 15. The injured children were hospitalized in serious condition. And those were the top stories from around the world. I'm Nakinsky Robinson.
Thank you very much, Nakinsky. And we have sports next. Who's coming up?
Spencer Darlington.